外面天气真的有点热。Green Island is so beautiful and very attractive.
讲的
风景超漂亮。
上瘾哦。
对啊。那明天 do you want to see the sunrise?
Oh,
Yeah,
sunrise.
very early. What do you think? Good idea? See the sunrise?
讲的风景很上瘾哦。OK，
但这样就要4点半起床。
我要睡觉了。OK。讲的风景很上瘾哦。
Yeah, the beautiful scenery is very attractive. Wow.
韩國啊，我哋早晨4點半之前來到鴉片，就可以看到從無到有，超美的。
也太美了吧！
哦，你看，该片像什么？
传说中的睡美人跟哈巴狗吗？
Yeah.
But I have to say, this scenery is so beautiful and overwhelming. It's very attractive.
讲的风景很上瘾哦。
真有意思。
来拍照。
好啊。
叮叮，先拍它。看看我们。
好的。
看那边有草坪，那边有凉亭。
Such an attractive scenery. Wow.
讲的风景很上瘾哦。
你想要爬上去吗
Yeah, we made it here already.
OK.
We gotta get up there.
Take picture. Go. 讲的风景很上瘾哦。
The beautiful scenery is very attractive. Let's take some pictures.